Good. Action.
You're awake.
No.
Yes, you are. Well, I want you to come to California with me.
What?
I want you to come to California with me.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Yeah, but how do you know?
I don't know, I just know.
Yeah, but how do you know?
I know because I feel it.
'Cause that's a really serious thing to say to somebody.
But I know.
Because you could be in California next week and, you might find out something about me you don't like. And then, maybe you'll wish you hadn't said that. And then, it's such a serious thing that you can't take that back. And now I'm stuck in California with someone who doesn't really want to be with me, who just wishes they had a take back.
What's a take back? I don't want a take back. I just want you to come to California.
Well, I can't go to California with you.
Why not?
Well, one, because I have a job here. Two, because I live here.
Look, if you don't love me,
I'm
you should
I'm not saying I don't love you.
Then why? Why won't you come? What are you so scared of?
What am I so scared of?
Well, what aren't you scared of, huh? You live in this safe little world where no one challenges you and you're scared shitless to do anything but defend yourself.
No.
Because that would mean you would have to change.
Don't tell me about my world. Don't tell me about my world. You just want to have your fling with the guy from the other side of town. No, you're gonna go to Stanford and you're gonna find some rich prick who your parents will approve of and you're gonna marry him. And then you're gonna sit around with the rest of your trust fund babies. You're gonna talk about how you went slumming too.
Why are you saying this?
What?
What is your obsession with this money? My father died when I was 13 and I inherited this money. No, nearly every day I wake up and I wish that I could give it back, that I would give it back in a second if it meant that I could spend one more day with him. But I can't, and that's my life and I deal with it, so don't put your shit on me when it's you that's afraid.
Whoa, I'm afraid, huh? What the fuck am I afraid of?
You're afraid of me. You're afraid that I won't love you back, and you know what? I'm afraid too, and fuck it! I'm honest with you, and at least I'm honest with you.
No! What? I'm not honest with you?
No? What about your 12 brothers?
Alright, no.
No, you're not going.
What?
You're not
What, you want to
leaving.
know what? That I don't have 12 brothers?
Yes!
That I'm a fucking orphan? Is that what you want to know? You didn't want to hear that, huh?
I didn't know.
No, you didn't know that. No, you don't want to hear that I had fucking cigarettes put out of me when I was a little kid. No, that this wasn't fucking surgery. The motherfucker stabbed me. You don't want to hear that shit, Skylar. Don't tell me when I hear that.
I don't want to hear it because I want to help you.
Help me? What the fuck? Does it look like a fucking sign on my back that says save me? Oh, okay, fine.
No, God, I just want to be with you because I love you.
Don't bullshit me. Don't you fucking bullshit me.
I love you. I want to hear you say that you don't love me because if you say that, then I won't call you and I won't be in your life.
I don't love you.